Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm gonna share some secrets with you on how to smell great all the time. Yep, you heard it, smell great. Benefits of smelling great include being confident, more attractive, elicit happy, uplifting emotions, as well as pleasant memories. Allows you to make new friends if that's your goal. You feel fresh. Now, let me share a little story with you. Imagine that you're at work all day long, so busy, running from one place to another to get your work done. It's like a full day workout. You're sweaty, your hair is messy, you're dehydrated, feeling unfresh, and truly afraid that someone might smell your sweats and draw them away from you. Obviously, you can't bring the shower with you every day to work. Well, let me tell you some secrets of smelling great, and these steps are super easy to follow and commit to. Food really affects how you smell. Although a diet high in onions, spices, and garlic can be beneficial to your health, these foods can have a long-term effect on not just your breath, but also your skin, lasting up to 48 hours. Fresh foods such as fruits, vegetables, proteins are recommended for pleasant odor. Sugar drinks can also alter how you smell, particularly if they are digested to the point where they reach your pores. A sour odor is unpleasant. Your fragrance choices also has an effect. The fragrance you use is the most important factor in making you smell pleasant. It's not easy to find one that matches your skin tone. Make sure you choose one that is fresh and natural and that you are at ease with. It is also something that will make you feel more secure on a daily basis. Make sure you choose the right detergent for your clothes. It may seem apparent, but the manner you wash your clothes has a different impact on how you smell. From the detergent you use to how you dry it, everything matters. Detergents with perfumes should be avoided. It's really important to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated might help keep unwanted odors at bay. When the skin dries, the scents absorb and disperse considerably more quickly. It even gives a bad breath. Drink plenty of water, moisturize your skin, and use hydrating products to help with this. Now let's take a look at best spots for wearing perfume. Many of us are unaware of where to spray our scents, but it is critical to smell nice throughout the day. The greatest locations to spray are the knees, chest, and behind your ears. You can also use perfume on your stomach, back of your neck, and on your wrists. It may seem excessive, but apply your perfume half an hour before leaving the house. Allows it to soak in. Now, don't use fragrances only. Experiment with different oils or body creams. The smell in your body will linger longer thanks to these layers. Look for a body oil that is both refreshing and appropriate for your skin. Reapplying your perfume would be nice. So perfumes and lotions don't last very long if you want to smell good for a long time. The best part is that you just have to use it twice a day. Your home should smell good too. To smell wonderful all day, experts recommend putting perfume in your home, bed, clothes. As a hint, keep your sheets clean at all times, brush your teeth every morning, light candles, apply aromatizers in the bathroom, and so on. Keep in mind that stinky feet can ruin any situation, so change your socks and wash your shoes if your feet stink during the day, as they do for many people. So keep in mind that stinky feet can ruin every situation. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.